Purple heart is a beautiful looking ornamental plant. They need very little care and look attractive due to the deep purple colored leaves. In this video, we will show how to grow purple heart at home. Today is 1st February in India. We got these little cuttings. To plant them, we will use these 1.5 inches cups made of paper. You need to make holes at the bottom of each cup. The soil mixture that we are using contains the same amount of garden soil and sand. First, block the holes with gravels. Fill the cups with soil mixture. To plant the branches, remove all the extra leaves, keeping just 2 to 3 leaves at the top. Make the cuttings almost 2 inches long. Create holes on the soil with the help of a stick. Now put the branches in the holes. Press the soil gently from the top around the holes. Apply water fully and keep them under partial shade. After a couple of weeks, you will find the roots at the bottom. It's the perfect time to transfer them into the final pot. We will first prepare the soil mixture for final potting. We are using the same amount of garden soil, cow dung compost and sand. We will also add eggshell dust. It is the perfect natural source of calcium. Mix the components well. To plant the saplings, we will use this 8 inches pot. Cover the holes with some gravels. Fill the pot with soil. Remove the paper pot. Lose some soil and tease out the roots a little. Dig the soil a little on the top. We will put all of the plants in the single pot. This is the most important part. The final shape of the plants will depend on how are you planting them. To make the plants bushy and look nice, put all the plants at the center together like this. Now fill the pot with extra soil mixture. Apply water fully. This is 1 month after the final potting. The plants are growing nicely. They got a nice shape too. You can keep this plant in direct sunlight. Just water them before the soil becomes completely dry. Apply organic compost once in a month for the healthy growth of the plants. After 45 days, new branches have formed. They got a very nice shape. If the branches become too long, then you can trim them to give the desired shape. the leaves have very tiny hair-like structures. Due to this, they easily catch dust. To remove the dust, spray normal water on the leaves regularly. This will keep your plant colorful and clean. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.